Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how I customize Windows 11 using Windhawk to create more modern, clean and stylish desktop experience. I redesigned the start menu, customized the taskbar, improved the look of File Explorer and installed a brand new icon pack to give Windows a fresh and premium appearance. So let's get started and see how you can make Windows 11 look modern and stylish using Windhawk. Hey everyone, welcome back to another brand new Windows 11 customization tutorial. First of all, we have to create a restore point. Click on search and type here create and select create a restore point. It is always a good practice to create a restore point before we do anything with our system. Then click on create and give it a name and click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong while customizing, you can restore your system using this restore point. Restore point has been created. Now you have to download this folder. I'll put the link in the description box. Now I'm going to apply the wallpaper. Right click on the wallpaper and click on set as desktop background. And then you have to download and install this famous tool called Windhawk. Just head over its official website and then download, install it. First I'm going to customize the taskbar. To customize the taskbar, right click on taskbar and click on taskbar settings and turn off these wizards. Then scroll down and click on taskbar behavior and taskbar alignment, set it to left. Now open Windhawk, click on Explorer and first install Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on details and install it. Now open this folder, open this Windhawk folder and open Windows 11 taskbar styler and copy this entire script. Click on advanced and replace it here. Then click on save. To adjust the taskbar height and icon size, we have to install Windows 11 taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and install it. And then open this folder and open this taskbar height and icon size and copy this entire script. Then click on advanced and replace it here. Then click on save. Now we have to install these recommended mods called Taskbar Fluent Media Player, click on details and install it. When you play any kind of music in the background, so it will appear in your taskbar. And now we have to adjust the media player. To adjust the player, click on settings, scroll down and select media player position. You can place it wherever you want. You can place it here or you can place it here. So I'd like to place it here. And now we have to customize our start menu. To customize the start menu, click on Explorer and install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Open this folder. Open Windows 11 Start Menu Styler and copy this entire JSON code. And click on advanced and replace it here. Then click on save. Now I'm going to change the icon pack. To change the icon, first click on Explorer and search for resources redirect. Click on details and install it. Now open this folder, open this icon pack folder, and I'd like to use this version 1 icon pack. So right click on this icon pack and click on copy, click on documents and paste it here. Then right click on this icon pack and click on copy as path. Then click on settings, scroll down and paste it here. And make sure you have removed this quotation mark. Then click on save. Scroll up and turn on disable folder thumbnails. Click on save and click on yes. Now I'm going to apply some acrylic effect. You can use translucent windows or you can try blur mica. If you want to add blur effect on your entire Windows 11, you can install this tool called translucent windows, or if you want to just blur your Windows 11 Explorer, then blur mica is the best option for you. Click on release, scroll down and download this file. Now we have to unzip it. Click on extract files and then click on OK. And then cut this folder, open your C drive and paste it here. And open this folder and first open this config file, and we have to make some changes here. Show line true to false. Then click on file and save. Then click on this register button and then click on run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it will add blur effect to your Windows 11 Explorer. Okay, one more thing, you can't use Windows 11 Explorer style mods with the blur mica because they are both conflict together. Okay, if you want to use any kind of Explorer style, then first you have to uninstall this blur mica. Right click on uninstall and click on run as administrator. And then you have to install Windows 11 File Explorer Styler, or else blur mica and File Explorer might be conflict together. And you can choose any theme here. So if you want to minimalist look, you can choose this Minimal Explorer 11. And if you want also add some blur effect, then you can try this translucent windows, but this might be create some visibility issue. So if you face any kind of visibility issue, you have to add program to the exclusion list. Just find a program path and then paste it here, then click on save, and it will fix the visibility issue. And make sure you have turned off this new system color. This one is minimal Explorer style. If you want full size Explorer style, then you can use this translucent Windows 11, Windows Glass or Windows Liquid Glass. Just select the theme and then click on save. So it will apply your Windows 11 Explorer. And if you want to add some minimize effect, you can try this macOS minimize effect. macOS minimize animation, click on details and install it. And this is it for today. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.